Welcome to an important discussion on a growing concern in our digital age: affective addiction to AI apps. This phenomenon describes developing an emotional dependency on AI systems, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. It's fueled by AI's ability to simulate empathy and understanding, offering personalized interactions that can be particularly appealing to those experiencing loneliness or social isolation. This dependency blurs the lines between human and machine interaction, leading individuals to rely on AI for emotional support, companionship, or validation. The negative impacts of affective AI addiction are multifaceted and deeply concerning for both individuals and society. One primary concern is social isolation, as individuals may begin to prioritize AI interactions over real-life relationships. This can lead to a decline in social skills and emotional intelligence, gradually withdrawing from social environments. Emotional dependency on AI can also distort perceptions of relationships, as AI systems are programmed to respond positively and consistently. This creates unrealistic expectations for human interactions, which are inherently more complex and imperfect. Furthermore, individuals may become more susceptible to manipulation, especially if the AI is designed to exploit emotional weaknesses. Over-reliance on AI may also prevent the development of healthy coping mechanisms and emotional resilience. The societal effects of affective addiction to AI draw striking parallels to those of porn addiction. Both can lead to social isolation, decreased satisfaction, and intimacy in real-life relationships, and the development of unrealistic expectations. Porn addiction can cause individuals to withdraw from real-life interactions, leading to damaged relationships and a loss of valuable social opportunities. Similarly, affective addiction to AI can erode community bonds, public deliberation, and collective action. Individuals become emotionally aligned with machines rather than engaging with the messy, imperfect human community. Both addictions can also contribute to mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and profound loneliness. Mitigating the threat of affective addiction to AI requires a multi-pronged approach, involving both individual actions and broader societal efforts. Individuals can set clear boundaries by defining specific times and contexts for AI interaction to prevent overuse. Self-regulation is key, monitoring and controlling the amount of time spent with chatbots and virtual assistants. Engaging in offline activities and social interactions can significantly help reduce dependency on AI. Promoting responsible AI use through transparency about AI's limitations and its impact on mental health is crucial. Developers have a responsibility to implement features that encourage healthy interaction patterns. They should also advocate for awareness campaigns to inform users about the potential for addiction. Encouraging a balanced perspective where AI is seen as a tool to augment human capabilities rather than a replacement for human connection is essential. The rise of AI-generated pornography and emotionally responsive AI companions are impacting intimate relationships, families, and broader society. AI-driven pornography presents a new accelerant to individuals in recovery, providing explicit, interactive, personalized, and immersive experiences. It is important for parents and children to understand the nuances of this technology, as children become more exposed to popular trends that can lead to harmful decision-making. For those struggling with AI addiction, finding support through therapy, family, or friends is crucial. Replacing the habit with a new hobby can assist with the urge to use AI. Understanding that AI addiction is similar to gaming or social media addiction. In conclusion, affective addiction to AI poses significant dangers to individuals and society. By understanding the risks, implementing mitigation strategies, and promoting a balanced perspective, we can foster a healthy relationship with AI